Alright, I'm going to show you guys today how to replace the ignition lock cylinder. Not the switch, not the ignition switch, but I'm talking about the ignition cylinder where the actual key goes inside. Right here, we're going to be replacing this part. So this is going to be the same for 95 or 96 to 02 4Runners, Tacomas, and T100s are similar but slightly different. We're going to start by having the negative or ground side of the battery unplugged. Give it about 2 minutes before you start wrenching on anything. We're going to have 4 screws to take out. 10 millimeter metric bolts. 2, 3, 4 right here. Once you have all those out, be careful, don't just go yanking on it. We have a couple switches. You can't just pull on them, and then we have the cable for the hood release. So pull on this real lightly, just get it out. Okay, there's a connector on the back side of the traction control switch. Pull that one off, and then you can probably get away with just leaving the hood release cable on. Next, we're going to pull this plastic piece of trim off right here. Simple as that. Okay, so there's a small plastic keeper right here. It's this right here, this white. Pull this out, directly out. It just pulls right out. You gotta pull it a little bit. Looks like that. That releases the light that lights up the ignition cylinder when you get in the car in the dark. So we can just move this off to the side, let it hang. Actually pull the ignition cylinder out. So what you need to do is put in your working Toyota key, whatever key actually turns the lock. Okay, turn it to one click to the right so it's on accessory, just like the one you see here. Okay, and now you can actually use the little clip that you took out of the light ring, and you can push it. You see where I'm pushing in? Push it right in there, and you can pull out the entire lock mechanism, right like that, and it comes out as one entire piece. Now, if you're replacing the ignition switch, that's actually behind this. There's ways to test that. If you need help with that, let me know, and I can look up the continuity and the ohms and all that good stuff. The new ignition cylinder is basically the same as taking it out. It's real easy. You might have to push and just help right like that. Push that in just to get it in the Mac. There we go. Make sure it's turned to accessory, else it will not go in. Just push that till it stops and clicks, and that is now installed and will not come out. That is a new mechanism, and it is good to go. All you need to do now, put on your light ring, line up the hole, find your white keeper, put the white keeper back in. I lost that. There's that white keeper that we're looking for. It goes right in the bottom of this. As soon as it's in the right spot, which is right there. Okay, that's on and good to go. Next piece is the trim bezel. It goes in just, is this back? No? Just push. And just like that. Next, last step is just putting this back in. If you could take it off, you can put it back. It's that simple. Just make sure you put your connector on. If you took off the traction control, any other switches you might have here, just remember to connect everything up. And then push it in. It's got some clips to help hold it in, and then just remember to put in your 4 10 millimeter